Hello. Today, let's install a Tesa Power Strip here. It's a hook system. The first step is we have to remove the dirt or fly poo or other liquids from the wall using for this a degreaser, for example, and then let it dry. And then it's time for the power strip itself. This is the power strip, and there is an area which is not adhesive, where is no glue attached. And this area is lined to the bottom area. Okay? Then we now remove the back side of it, and then we attach it to the wall. We press on it with 2 or 3 fingers and let it press for 10 seconds. And after these 10 seconds, we can install the hook, for example. But now it has to be relaxed a little bit. The best way is let it relax 12 hours or so, and then you can make something on it. For example, here a fairy light. If you like to remove the power strip system, remove your hook or the other system, and then swipe it to the bottom side, and job's done. That's all. The Tesa Power Strip is removed from the wall easily. Yeah, that's easy. That's without drilling. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.